can build a self-growth without a family? That is the not a final result you choose. Definitely, you are a how can you build a good relationship in your family? Because lots of the controversy create for your parents and mother, as most of as a grandparents and mothers, and as only for 3 days. Build a more confidence. This goes, this goes. So make a new day formula. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today day 3 to how to build a communication skill with English log. The first one, this topic are very interesting. Why? Because I discussed the topic of the Indian map, but I not believe for myself. Why? Because I am a very interesting personality. So for you, so definitely you try to very interesting topic for myself. So a little bit a change of the casual way to just like a topic with discuss. So for example, I discuss a very interesting topic for family. So first, what is the family and why need of the family? For example, in this Indian map, right? Why can build India in a Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP, Madhya Pradesh, approximately all of state make a you build a map of only for one map is show of your eye is the Indian map. That is the family. Family is the first priority of the all over person. But are you satisfied? Your family is fulfilled for yourself? No. At the time, you are a change of the family propaganda. So, let's start a family. What is the family? Which type of need a particular person to person helpful for family? I am not deciding. Why? Because the blood relation in a family. But lots of experience and lots of reading of books and the experience and communicate and a jolt of application. So, only one justify to result. Family are only for relationship, the blood relationship, and no anyone to help for you. Family is the first priority, but friend is the second priority. Little bit a change of the perspective of all our people, but definitely you try it because you make a combine of a new era start. Definitely, you are not support properly your family responsibility. But one time you change of your mindset. And how can I build my responsibility? You are not deserved from a responsibility. But definitely you try it. But family is a very interesting story. Every life, you and your partner. So, how can you build a good relationship in your family? Because lots of the controversy create for your parents and mother, as most of as a grandparents and mothers, and as something as a big brother. So lots of the controversy create. But you are not effort for yourself, your chance for your life. You are which type of effort you build a good and healthy relationship? No. Why? Because not knowledge of the healthy relationship. That's why you need of a self-growth. So how can build a self-growth without a family? That is the not a final result you choose. Definitely you are alone in your life. And let's start lots of reading books for you are suggest how to influence and people their life. That is the book title. And second one book I suggest for you, the compound effect. So that is family is the one part of your life, but not all about for you. That is the very recommendation for you. Family is not good for all of time available support for you. Why? Because the family are to decide it. This person is capable and this person are a very strong personality, and that is the as a solo army. But you are still not a good. Why? Because your family are not support for you. That's why the difference between you and your family. Your family think a right person to right responsibility in your soul. So I'm third day of my spoken English. In a first time make a podcast, something a solo podcast. But let's be a beginner. So I change. This is my mindset, and I can do it. That is my perspective. And to be continue in this journey and make a perfection of my life. So lots of effort and lots of efforts and build a growth of personality. Only for 3 days. Build my confidence. This pose to this pose. So make a new day formula to daily make a small goal of 5 to 6 minutes to be improvement, right? And make a good personality. Thank you so much. You watch my personal work day 4. Okay. Thank you so much. Dear.